From this point, some of the fields you see might vary depending on the type and category of your product. The first option displayed is Customizations. If you hover over the question mark beside it, you will see that this option is meant for sellers who offer customizable or personalized products. It lets customers add custom text, upload an image, or select their preferred options. This feature is most frequently used for seller-fulfilled listings, though some customizable items can also qualify for FBA. If your product is not customizable, simply select No. Next are the model number and model name fields. These exist primarily for your own record-keeping and organization. For example, you might enter something like phone 17 case cover in orange as the model number. As your product catalog grows, using consistent model numbers helps you quickly identify and manage your inventory. If you have different sizes or versions, you can include short abbreviations like large or small to indicate large or small, or use any naming system that works best for you. For the model name, I usually enter the product's official name, such as phone 17 case cover. If you are doing wholesale or arbitrage, you can simply use the model name and number printed on the manufacturer's packaging or label. Under the manufacturer field, if you are a private label seller, you are considered the manufacturer, so you should enter your own brand name. If you are selling wholesale or arbitrage products, input the manufacturer's brand name instead. Moving on, we have style and material. These fields are not mandatory, but filling them in can improve the accuracy of your search results. In my case, the style field is not applicable, but for material, I will enter soft TPU. If you need to list multiple materials, click on Add More. Next is color, where you should specify the exact color of your item. Then, in number of pieces, indicate how many items come in one unit. The field itself even mentions that you should enter the number of pieces within the unit being sold. For the part number, I usually reuse the same number as the model number for consistency. Under Item Dimensions, you will need to provide the physical measurement of the product itself rather than the packaging dimensions. For example, a standard phone case typically measures about 7 inches by 3.5 inches. Here's a quick tip. On the right-hand side, you will notice a toggle labeled Displaying Recommended Attributes. By clicking Show All Attributes or a similar option, you can reveal additional optional fields which vary depending on the category of your product. In my case, a new field called Unit Count appears. This field is optional but can be filled in if relevant. Certain categories benefit from completing these additional attributes because they help clarify product details and enhance search visibility.